Welcome my channel Auto Update. The 2026 Hyundai N Vision 74 is more than just a concept car. It's a rolling embodiment of Hyundai's bold vision for the future of performance and sustainability. Inspired by the 1974 Hyundai Pony Coupe, this futuristic hydrogen-electric hybrid coupe combines retro design elements with cutting-edge technology, showcasing what Hyundai's N Vision has in store for enthusiasts and eco-conscious drivers alike. At first glance, the design immediately captures attention. Its low, wide stance, pixel-style lighting, and sharp angular lines evoke the spirit of 70s motorsport, yet the silhouette and details are unmistakably modern. Hyundai has stayed true to the original Pony Coupe's aesthetics while infusing a dramatic, cyberpunk-style personality. The result is a stunning blend of nostalgia and futurism that makes the N Vision 74 one of the most unique cars on the horizon. Beneath its striking exterior lies a revolutionary powertrain. The N Vision 74 is powered by a hydrogen fuel cell system paired with a high-capacity battery and dual rear electric motors. Combined, this hybrid setup delivers over 670 horsepower and more than 900 Newton-meters of torque. With a top speed exceeding 250 km per hour and a 0-100 km per hour time of under 4 seconds, this isn't just a sustainable car, it's a genuine high-performance machine. What sets the N Vision 74 apart is how it leverages both hydrogen and battery electric technologies. The fuel cell continuously charges the battery while also supplying direct power to the motors. This dual-source approach allows for longer range, rapid refueling, and consistent high performance, something traditional Fs can struggle with under heavy use. Hyundai claims a driving range of over 600 kilometers, making it not just fast but practical for longer journeys as well. The chassis features a rear-wheel drive layout with torque vectoring, giving drivers precise control and thrilling handling dynamics. Cooling systems have also been optimized to ensure peak performance during intense driving conditions, whether on the street or track. It's clear Hyundai wants this car to be more than a showpiece. It's designed to be driven hard. Inside, although the production version hasn't been fully revealed, the concept hints at a minimalist yet high-tech cockpit, possibly combining digital displays with analog-style controls. Expect materials and finishes that reflect both performance and sustainability, aligned with Hyundai's push towards a greener future. The N Vision 74 is not just about looking back, it's about reimagining what's next. By merging heritage with innovation, Hyundai is signaling its intention to redefine the sports car for a new era. While it's still a concept for now, the overwhelming response from enthusiasts and the automotive community suggests that a production version may be closer than we think. If Hyundai brings the N Vision 74 to market in 2026 as expected, it could be a game-changer not just for the brand, but for the entire performance car segment. Combining stunning design, advanced hydrogen electric technology, and genuine driving excitement, the N Vision 74 might just be the future we've all been waiting for.